Hey guys, and welcome to IzzyBee Crafts, and today I will be doing a review on this pom-pom tassel kit that my mom got me, and this is by Crafter's Beach. So I wanted to just test it out and see how it is. Okay, so I know that this is a bit of a different style of video that I haven't done before, but I thought I would try out something different, and yeah, so just let me know down in the comments if you like this style of video where I'm talking along as I am making the stuff. So yeah, let's jump into the kit. So the kit comes with some pom-pom makers, and it comes with three colors of yarn: white, purple, and teal. And then it comes with two tassels in blue and purple, and then a pack of colorful clear beads. It also comes with instructions, which I already read through, and I actually like that it's not this big booklet and it's just this small sheet of paper. That way it's not as wasteful. First step is to get your pom-pom maker, and then you're supposed to unclip it like this. And so now what you do is you put them together like this, and they don't really clip in anywhere or have any magnets or anything, so they just kind of sit on top of each other like that. And then you just take your yarn, and you don't have to use the yarn in the kit. If you have other yarn that you have at home, you can use that as well. And it says in the instructions that you just start to wrap the yarn around. My first combination will be white and teal, and I'll be doing a half and half. Just wrap it around. The more you wrap it around, the fluffier it will be. The more fluffy you want it, the more yarn you should wrap around. Yeah, so I'm going to continue this off camera, and I will be back. Okay, so what I end up doing for the white side of the pom-pom is when I cut off the end, I did some excess on the end, and then I just tucked it into this corner like this and kind of underneath like that. That way it would just hold in place and not come undone. So now the next step in the instructions is to put it together, and then use the clips and put it onto each side of the pom-pom maker. Once it's clipped like this, then you could take a pair of scissors and just cut in between the pom-pom maker. You gotta have kind of sharp scissors, that way it's easier to cut. So I have both sides of the pom-pom cut, and now it says to take a 12-inch long strand of yarn. I didn't measure, I just guessed. And then you're supposed to slide this through the middle of your pom-pom maker, and then make a knot. Tie your pom-pom nice and tight with one knot, and then unclip your pom-pom maker and take out your pom-pom. So I'm just gonna do another knot, and then we can add the tassel. So I left the lawn strand on because I'm not sure if the tassel is going to be able to fit over top through, so that I can put some beads on it. But then it says just to put your tassel to your pom-pom and you can put some beads on. So I have a little dish with the beads in it, and now I'm just gonna try and thread a clear bead onto the blue tassel. Okay, so there is the second bead on, and now I am just going to put the tassel onto the pom-pom. I do want to make just one more pom-pom, and it will be a purple with some teal in it. And yeah, then I will show you what that pom-pom looks like. Here is the final tassel. I like this one better, and I just used the extra string and added some beads onto the end of this yarn, and then I just used some nail polish on the ends and twisted it to make it smaller, so that way I could get it through the beads. And then I tied the tassel on the top here, and yeah, I do like this one better. I think it's actually cuter. It looks a little bit better. It's a little more, it's fuller. And yeah, so my final thoughts on this kit. I think that it is a fun kit to have for the summertime if you have kids or if you're bored at home. It's nice because then you can reuse the pom-pom makers, and then you also have the beads. And it comes with most of everything that you need. You just kind of need scissors, and yeah, if you want other beads, you can use that as well. A few things is that I do wish that the tassels were a little bit smaller, just because I think that they're too big for the size of the pom-poms that you can make with the pom-pom maker. And also have the pom-pom maker just be one piece. It would just be a whole lot easier to use when you are first starting to wind your yarn around, because otherwise you're having to hold it together so that way it doesn't come apart. Another thing is to have bigger beads, that way the center of them is bigger and you can fit the tassels through it better. That's the only thing, but of course you can replace the beads with beads that you have at home or buy different ones, because if you look on the box or in the instructions, the beads do look bigger and the tassels look smaller. That's the only things, but other than that, I do like this kit. So I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and comment down below if you like this style of video and which pom-pom you like better, the purple with teal or the white with teal. Yeah, thanks you guys for watching. Bye!